Alright, first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and distribute our exponent. And we have to distribute it to everything inside the parentheses, so even the 125. And then our rule with exponents, when we have an exponent on the outside of parentheses and the inside, is to multiply the exponents, just like the distributive property means to multiply. So we have 2/3 times 3, which is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and write 125 to the 2/3 as a radical to see if that helps me in simplifying that further. So the 3 tells me that it is a cube root. So we have the cube root of 125, which the cube root of 125 is 5, and then 5 squared is 25. Okay, here we are multiplying. So our rule when we're multiplying, we're going to multiply the 2 and the 3, the coefficients, just like normal. And then our rule is to add the exponents. So 1/3 plus 1/6 is 3/6. Well, 3/6 simplifies to 1/2. So we have 6 and then x to the 1/2. Alright, here we are dividing. So a rule when we're dividing is to subtract the exponents. So we have 3/5 minus 1/2. So I'm going to change it so the denominators are the same. And we get 1/10. So we get x to the 1/10. Alright, we have another exponent on the outside, so we need to distribute it to the 2. So we'd get 2 to the 3rd power, which is 8. And then we are going to multiply the exponents. So 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. And then negative 2/3 times 3 right here is negative 2. So we know we can't have negative exponents, so we're going to write it as 8x to the 3/4 power all over y squared. So only the y is going to move because only the y has a negative exponent.